AI drop shipping is the future. Stop buying products from overseas. Let me show you the power of AI drop shipping. As you can see here on my Shopify store, I did $9,800. If we do a quick refresh, you can see amazing results. Absolutely insane. So, what AI drop shipping is the supplier, instead of it being from overseas, we're using AI. ChatGPT is our new supplier to create products, and we're drop shipping those products from AI to give it to the customer in the form of an art file. Let me explain. So here is your simple wall art design. Flowers, cool, right? Looks very nice. Put this in the home. This is making about 10K a month, doing pretty much nothing. And the frame is coming from the US, but the art itself, what if I told you that could actually be created using AI? You don't need to be artistically gifted or some sort of painter. AI will be your supplier to fulfill that demand, hence AI drop shipping. So let me show you what I did. I went on ChatGPT just for inspiration. I screenshotted this picture and I said, this is a vintage wildflower field being sold as wall art by my competitor on Etsy. Please create me a non-copyright version inspired by this art, but choose a different type of botanical flower for my design. So what ChatGPT did is it created its own non-copyright versions in seconds. This could have taken hours to make in the real world, but my supplier, my painting assistant, ChatGPT, created this for me. So as you can see here, I'm going to choose this one, and the AI has now created this. I can literally download this file and start drop shipping this straight away on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, right? And what's crazy is, there's no shipping, there's no overhead. I now can sell this file in seconds, right? And anything I want, I can change anything to my liking, right? I can say, add some taller flowers to this image, right? And I can keep customizing it how I like. That's the power of AI dropshipping. So let me explain this grand blueprint to how you can properly AI dropship, right? You have two income streams when doing this. You can sell the raw file like this straight away to the customer for a few dollars a pop as a PNG file, and you can list it on a platform like Etsy, right? Which I'll cover soon. Or you could use Printify, which is a USA dropshipping supplier, put the image on a canvas and sell it for $30 to $50. So the dropshipping model, as you all know, but instead of doing it from overseas, AI is your new supplier because AI is the product. You're not relying on some supplier who you're going to wait on shipping times and your profit margins are going to be thin, right? So you have two options. So with this option, you can take the raw file, upload it into a Google Doc, and basically tell the customer, click here, and they can download it as a PDF, right? And you can upload this to Etsy, putting in proper titles like this. As you can see, it's a bestseller. And from there, you can choose the categories, add the right keywords, put a description that matches that item, right? Instantly download the print because this is a type of product where customers are going to print it out themselves, and then you can publish. But for this option, you're going to go on a site like Printify, and you're going to go here and sell a canvas like this, and you're going to upload this image because you're selling vintage flower art, right, to moms on Etsy. You're going to upload it here, and you're going to sell it right away. As you can see, it's all from the US, 2 to 4 days to produce, and it ships out, costs you $10, off at 30, $40. Pretty nice margin. So this type of drop shipping, again, AI is our friend. And as you can see, I said, I can create my own product in its own uniqueness. I'm not selling the same thing as someone else is selling on Facebook that's from overseas with a lot of competitors. I'm creating my own product that no one can compete in. So I have my own unique wild field of art with tall flowers, and I can start selling this right away, right? Now you're wondering, can't people just go on ChatGPT and do it themselves? No, because these are consumers. They just buy what they like. It's that buyer instinct. It's the same buyer instinct they have when they're in a shopping mall and they see clothing they like, they buy it. It's mostly women, right? This clothing is from China, but they don't care, right? Same thing with dropshipping, as you know. These people can just go on AliExpress and Temu and buy these products. but they like what they see while they're in their buyer instinct and they buy. It's the same thing when it comes to shopping for art, right? You're wondering, is this saturated? Well, listen, these are technically digital products. This is a market that's going to be worth 26 trillion by 2030. So I think you're going to be fine. And Etsy, which is the platform here we sell on, is about 95 million active buyers, the second biggest marketplace in the world. I'm only selling on Shopify now because I want to expand my business and my art. So I'm on Shopify now. I only recommend that when you have the budget to do so. And for those who are just buying the raw file, this is called the printable market size. This is going to be worth 87 billion. These are people who literally just buy the file, not the actual print, for a few dollars, and they go and print it out themselves. Now you're wondering, can anyone do this? All walks of life can do this. I was literally a bagger before this, right? And now I'm showing you 10K weeks. And my old videos on YouTube show I've been selling tons on Etsy, and I've kind of transitioned. You've watched my progress. I document everything, right? Now, I want to just explain to you kind of what everything looks like if you work with me and my team, right? The future of AI dropshipping, how it would look, right? With nearly no overhead, because AI is your supplier. You can generate unlimited products, and this costs like 30 bucks a month, not even 20 bucks a month. You're literally getting one-on-one coaching support from a team. I literally hired managers to kind of take care of every student. I have calls every single day, as you can see, where people learn and grow working with us, right? I mean, even someone else, right? Like this is Ido. He sells art on Etsy. He's made 18,000 pounds almost organically, about 200 to 300 a day, passively and organically, right? Or Samuel, who's on track to do his first 1K month organically, just selling the raw file, not even drop shipping it, just selling the raw files using AI as his drop shipping supplier, right? And he's 40 with no experience. So he's making his first $1,000 online, no experience. Why? Because AI is easy to use. You don't need to have artist skills or any sort of complicated, tech skills. Or Belinda, who was indecisive and burnout from her corporate job to now having her own PDF business, 600 sales so far. And I'll show you later in my Discord, she's actually at like around 900 now, right? And this works because we work with small groups to help you build your first store. No ads, no shipping products, no showing your face. AI is your supplier, and you just sell the files. And again, I don't sell a course. This is like an agency. This is like a consultancy, right? It's real support. I'm so confident in this that I'm partnering with you to do this, and we're supporting you to grow this business, right? So part of this whole consultancy is you get access to traffic hacks, how to make these sales with even not even spending dollars on ads. You get onboarding, guidance, check-in, because I literally have success managers who spoon feed you and take care of you. You get a plug-and-play system with success managers who check up on you. You're going to make sales within 10 days or sooner, right? And whether you're starting from scratch or have an idea, we're going to just package it and create it. Because again, AI is all based on creativity, right? Whatever's in your creative mind, you feed it into the AI and you start selling those products right away. It's the same system how Adrian did 10K in his first week. This is actually an interview on my YouTube. You can check it out. Or Luke in my Discord, who made 500K in a year selling relationship PDFs, like how to get back with your ex, how to make your ex fall in love with you, products like that. Insane, right? And these are all products that came originally from Etsy. Now you're wondering, can actual people make this work? Look at this success story. This is Musa. He's tried models in the past like trading, Amazon, dropshipping. He burned out. He wanted to give up, but he tried the PDF model of selling digital products and using AI as his supplier. And he made his first 1K a month with us and eventually scaled it to 4K a week. And this is also an interview in my channel if you take a look. Ben, who's 30 years old, no experience, also in the process of getting married with a kid, joined us. He launched, and within 60 to 75 days, he's made $8,000 without ads. So imagine how much he would make if he actually put in ads, right? And he has a kid on the way. But again, he started this business because he wants to have more time with his kids. That could be a good goal for those of you watching that have a kid or have a kid on the way, right? Or William, who lost his job in sales, scrambling to find something new, built and implemented our PDF model. And not only did he hit 50 sales, but he launched 2 more products and he got 15 sales each, no ad spend. And the wins keep going. I can open my Discord. Here it is. I can go to the wins chat and I can just show you endless results. First 3 sales, sales within 2 hours, reviews, 20 sales, first sale. Remember I was talking about Bal with 600 sales? Boom, 800 sales. The progress keeps going. 30 sales by Anna, 40 sales by Boibola. I can keep going. 20 sales, 30 sales, 20 sales again, more sales, 234 passively. I mean, I can keep scrolling, right? I'm not going to waste your time here. I think you guys get the point. I can endlessly scroll. Our consultancy works. We help people build these products with AI and they get results, right? I can keep on going, but you get the point, right? Here's Bal, $4,000. You get the point, right? They're not outliers. These are just a few hundred people who trusted our system and followed the steps and took it seriously. And you can do it too. It's not rocket science. And I'm so confident in this because AI, you can create your own product. So saturation doesn't exist. So I can keep helping people. And I'm so confident in it that, it's a no-brainer. So if they can do it, I think you can do it too. So if you actually want real support, no courses, I'm so confident in this. If you want real coaching support, you can book a call down below to apply for our one-on-one coaching, which again covers how to get winning products with real demand. We guarantee sales or you pay nothing. That's how confident I am. How to set up your store, generate traffic, automate fulfillment, because again, the goal of this business, like this flower art, is to sell it automatically on autopilot, making this kind of income, right? And I even throw in 2 paid employees, right? It's pretty powerful stuff. You're going to get a PDF copy paste system handpicked by our team. So if I go on my Discord here, we have products that we spoon feed to you that are niches. You can copy paste these into your store and start making sales. Pretty powerful stuff. And we have a paid employee. I literally hired this person. I'm taking a loss to give you value. He will design thumbnails, designs, anything you want. And you don't have to worry about being a creative expert or having tech skills. The designer will do the work for you. I even attached the screenshot. One of my students, she got a design and she was so happy with the design, she literally made sales from his design. That's how valuable the system is. You're getting coaching support and we're giving you employees. It's a no-brainer. So you've seen how this system works. Real people just like you, they're building this income, 2K, 5K, even 10K a month income streams from their laptop. So again, if you're tired of working and you want this job to just become AI to become your job and have location and time freedom, this is your shot to break free. So book a call down below and it'll build your AI business step by step. You've waited long enough. I'll see you in the next video.